Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on our E92 M3. Now we have removed the Evolve X pipe and refitted the standard X pipe, and the reason for that is because we're going to be test fitting the Supersprint F1 race lightweight exhaust. So the stock exhaust is off and the Supersprint is unboxed, and we're just going to do a quick comparison between the two before I fit it to the car. Now you can see obviously the biggest difference is that the stock one is one piece and the Supersprint is two piece, so that indicates it's probably going to be quite a lot louder. We have also weighed both of the systems, and the stock one weighs around 6 kilos more than the Supersprint, which is obviously why they call it the Supersprint lightweight. Now I'm sure you would rather listen to the exhaust than listen to me talk about it, so I'll get it fitted to the car, we'll get it out on the road, and then you can have some sound clips. Fitment wise, being Supersprint, we know they always fit really well and it fits very nicely to the OE system, so there's no issues or no modifications needed. Adjustment wise, you've got a lot of movement on the hangers, so you can move the boxes up and down as and where you want them to sit, and you've also got a lot of adjustment on the tips so they can go in and out for a bit more aggressive, or if you want it a bit more OE, they can be tucked in nicely. So that's how it sounds on a static rev, but let's get it out on the road and listen to it properly.
So we've been through quite a few different exhaust configurations on this. This one is probably the tamest one so far because it's still on the stock X pipe, so I can still hear plenty of the Eventuri, but you can just hear a little bit of the V8 noise being accentuated by the F1 race from Supersprint. So I think this is very much a subtle upgrade compared to what we've had before. But with exhaust, it's very subjective. You get people who want really loud, you want people who want in between, they want different tones. So the idea between this series of videos with this exhaust is to try different configurations of just rear exhaust with test pipes, and then rear exhaust with the X pipe, because I've had this rear exhaust with test pipes is a really good combination from customers who have had it, and they almost say it's their ultimate upgrade. Driving around normally, which is important if you're going to do long journeys, it doesn't really have much drone. Again, drone is very subjective. I may be more or less sensitive to drone than other people, but I'm in 5th gear here, 30 miles an hour, and I think it'd be absolutely fine for longer journeys. And that's always the difficult thing with exhaust, is trying to find that sweet spot between having a really loud, nice tone when you're on the throttle, but then still being able to cruise without having any drone. Downshifts sound great as well. Just a little bit natural burbles coming out of it. The important thing, especially when you have an Eventuri plenum, is not to drown it out with exhaust noise. See what it's like with the windows down. this exhaust has been on the market for a long time, so I've had it on customers' cars, but we've never actually had it on one of our own cars. Just how good this car is every time I drive it. Reminds me the suspension we work done with on it is incredible, but it doesn't get much better than this. Nice sunny day, V8 singing from the exhaust and the intake. For this month only, we also do have 20% off Supersprint exhaust to celebrate a month of promotion for them and to celebrate our long-standing relationship with Supersprint. I like it. I think this is for those who like it a little bit more subtle, but I'm also very much looking forward to pairing it with the other combinations and seeing what it sounds like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.